This wire is a preformed O112 NiTi wire. So now we have to make it into a form of, we have to constrict this wire and we have to give it a mushroom shaped. So how do we do that? I'll just demonstrate. You can take a bird beak plier or a Vanguard plier. Okay. With your finger, can you see that? Is it clear? I have done it with the finger. Okay. Now can you see the wire is constricted. Now it is almost in line with all the slots lingually on the typhodont. Is it clear? Can you see that? Is it clear? Okay. With a Vanguard plier or a bird beak plier, the bird beak plier on with the rounded rounded side, what you can do is you can just give a bend. In crowding cases, in leveling aligning, in crowding cases, you need to give the bend 2 millimeters distal to the canine, 2 or 1.5 millimeters, because you need to decrowd. So if you keep the bend just touching the bracket, then the canines will not distalize. And it is otherwise in spacing. In spacing, you need to bend 0.5 millimeters distal to the canine in spacing cases. You need not give the canine premolar inset 1 or 2 millimeters distal to the canine in spacing cases. In crowding, you need to keep 2 millimeters distally. Now in this case, we'll give around 0.5 millimeters. You can mark it. Once you have marked it, is it clear? Can everybody see? Okay. So you give a bend, sharp bend. To the NiTi wire. Can you see the bend? Give a sharp bend, and then as you can see, according to me, this is very arbitrary. I think it is around 2.5 millimeters to 3 millimeters. If you see the difference between the canine slot and the first premolar slot, around 3 millimeters, I think so. Actually, you get a plier with Denticon where they have these pliers which has got a measuring. The grades keep on increasing. They have got a plier, special plier for making this canine premolar inset. It goes on increasing by 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3 like that. So this is approximate I am bending. Can you see this? Okay. Once you have done this, with this same Bordbig plier, you can just straighten this off with your finger. Okay. Now to make it more precise, with a half round, feeds half round, is it clear? Other side, yes, I'll definitely do it. What I'll do is, I'll just cut this wire. I've given the bend here. So this is your 112 wire.